Modding Grand Theft Auto and need to work with FXT text files. These contain in-game text strings used by the GTA series for localization and game text. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to edit these GTA fake text files. To quickly determine if the FXT file is recoverable, try opening it with a robust, universal file viewer. I'll provide a link to my tried-and-true software here and later on. FXT files are text files used by Grand Theft Auto games, particularly GTA 3, Vice City, and San Andreas, for storing in-game text strings used in dialogue, mission briefings, menus, and HUD elements. They support modding and language translation for GTA games. FXT files use plain text encoding with key value pairs storing text identifiers and corresponding display strings following Rockstar Games' specification for GTA text resources used by the game engine for displaying localized in-game text content. To gain full access to FXT, the application needed is Sani Builder from open source. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows shows only high-level details, so reading or editing game data depends on compatible tools. Your first troubleshooting move: right-click the FXT file and select Open With. Try launching it using Sani Builder if it's installed. If that fails, test other apps. Different tools have different file handling libraries. If your FXT file still refuses to open, stay calm. Failure to open this FXT file usually comes down to 3 basic scenarios. Let's go through this quick list and check each one off. First, opening in text editor. Open the FXT file in any text editor like Notepad, Notepad++, or Visual Studio Code. The plain text format displays text strings with their identifiers, enabling editing for modding or translation purposes. Save changes, preserving the original encoding to maintain game compatibility. Next, using GTA modding tools. Use specialized GTA modding tools like FXT Editor or GXT FXT compilers from GTA modding communities. These tools provide structured editing of text strings with validation and conversion to GXT format used by the game engine for runtime text loading. Finally, compiling to GXT. Convert FXT files to GXT format using GXT compiler tools after editing. The compiled GXT files replace the original game text in the GTA installation directory. Backup original files before replacement to enable restoration if mods cause game issues. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.